Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today I thought, why not show you a small tour of my home office? I work remotely, I work from home, and I thought, well, hey, I'm sure there's a lot of other people that are working from home, and why not show you a little clip of my computer setup. So without further ado, let's get into it. So in my house, in the room next to the door, I guess would be the formal dining room. I have a little area here that I've set up. And I have a little day bed in here as well. So my little day bed. So if I have company, they have a place to sleep and a blanket ladder. And I'm not quite finished with this room. I'm getting there. But here's my workstation setup. So I have my little laptop and two larger screens, and you'll notice that the screens, let me move this out of the way, don't have a stand here. So I have this bar that goes behind them that connects them. Now I got this bar from a friend, and it works out pretty good. So in the back, it looks like this. So you have the bar here, which runs all the way across, and this little thing here, which you can move the screens down or up or left or right some. And there is the stand. You see the stand? Now this stand will fit 3 monitors, and I used to have the 3 on there, but it was a bit much. I may put it on later, but I really don't need it right now. And then I just have my laptop in the middle. So if I was to move my laptop, you would see the stand right there. But it's kind of flat. I like to put my laptop on there. And then I have this little basket that I got from Target. And I have everything I need in there. And I have this nice little desk that's from IKEA. Really nice desk. And a little fan, should I need it. My little mouse pad with gel, the wrist gel pad. But I want to get a gel pad wrist piece that goes all the way across there for the keyboard, because my wrist kind of hurt leaning here on the edge of the desk. So sometimes I'll just wrap a blanket around me or my robe. But here's a little curtain I made. It's actually just a bed sheet. I love it. And this little piece of wood that I made, and this mirror I got. So it's super huge, and I got it from Germany. A friend of mine was gonna throw it away, and I told him, oh, you better not. I really, really want that. So that is my workstation setup. And I have some nice room spray that my daughter got me for my birthday. Amber and pink rose soft peony lemon room spray. And that's from Target. I really like that. This little painting that the neighbor was going to throw away. And this little day bed that I picked up for free on Facebook. It's so cute. I love it. And then here is another one of the sheets. These sheets are UGG sheets. I got them from Bed Bath & Beyond on clearance for $7 one year. So I bought like 5 or 6 packs of them. And then I'm using them for the bed, and then this curtain here. And then I'm going to make a skirt for the bed. So let's see how big the mirror is. So I also wanted to show you my chair. This is a really neat chair that I got from Amazon. And I can put the link in the description. Just to let you know, I'm not getting paid for this. This is not a promotion. However, if you happen to click on the link and buy this chair within a certain amount of days, I will get a small commission. And those commissions go to helping our channel grow. So, I don't know how you say it. Ohio, maybe? But what I love about this chair is this leg rest. So, you can flip it and push it in. You can pull it out, and it's a leg rest. So it's pretty much a gaming chair, but this is really nice for not having your legs dangle all day. The other thing is this massager. So this is a lumbar massager, which plugs in, has a little plug, and it plugs in USB. So it's a little lumbar pillow, and it massages. It just vibrates. But it's really nice for your back when you're sitting all day. And then it has a little pillow, which is also removable. So you can remove the pillow here, and then you can also remove the lumbar pad if you don't want. And this moves. You can make it come up, or you can put it back down. So I really like this chair. Also, it reclines. Let me try that. So it can recline as well, and the armrests go up and down. Let's see. So they'll go up and down as well.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching my little